What started really as a chilling cry for justice after a brutal rape has now exposed a horrifying tale of assault while abusing political clout. But what is worse, the saga is now witnessing witness shaming, denial, and even trivializing the crime, even victim shaming. While the accused lawyer spins vile theories, the evidence and more survivors are speaking out louder than ever. Here's a detailed report.
The South Kolkata Law College gang rape horror gets darker and uglier with every passing day. What started as a shocking case of gang rape is now turning into a chilling saga of abuse, denial and disgrace. The defense has crossed a new line. Accused Monojit Mishra's lawyer has made sickening claims in court, citing love bites on his neck as the so-called proof that this wasn't rape.
এফআইআর কপি দেখলে বোঝা যাবে এটা একটা ষড়যন্ত্র, একে ফাঁসানো হয়েছে। এবং
মোবাইলে কি পাওয়া যেতে পারে
সেটা প্রসিকিউশন বলবে। আপনার থেকে তো প্রসিকিউশনে সমস্ত খবর দিচ্ছে যে গায়ে আঁচড় পাওয়া গেছে। প্রসিকিউশন কি এই কথাটা বলেছে যে তার ঘাড়ে একখানা লাভ বাইট পাওয়া গেছে? মনোজিৎ মিশ্রার এই কথাটা আপনাদেরকে প্রসিকিউশন বলেনি। যদি রেপ হয় কোনোদিন লাভ বাইট পাওয়া যায় না, যেটা আমি আমার ক্লায়েন্টের সঙ্গে দেখা করে তাকে এক্সামিন করে এসে আপনাদের সামনে বলবো।
While Monojit's lawyer makes bogus claims of proof, here is actual physical proof of assault. Scratch marks were found on his body, injuries confirmed during his medico-legal exam on Sunday. Reports say these are classic signs of self-defense. Deep scratches left by the victim as she fought back with all her strength. This evidence could prove crucial, a silent scream embedded in DNA. The grim and horrifying picture painted by the prosecution doesn't end here. There is evidence showing the victim lost consciousness during the assault, only to be revived and raped again. An act so brutal, it defies humanity.
অসুস্থ নির্যাতিতরা যখন শ্বাস নিতে পারছে না, তখন তাকে ইনহেলার দিয়ে সুস্থ করা হচ্ছে এই উদ্দেশ্যে যে সাবসিকুয়েন্টলি তাকে আরও বেশি অত্যাচার আমি করতে পারবো, যেটা ফ্যাক্ট, এটাই বলেছি। আর ইনিশিয়ালি আগে বলেছিলাম মেডিকেল এভিডেন্স যা আছে সেটা করবোরেট করেছে। আজকে আমরা দেখা গেল ওই পিসিতে দেখা যাচ্ছে আমাদের সার্কামস্টেন্সিয়াল এভিডেন্স এবং ইলেকট্রনিক এভিডেন্স সবটাই করবোরেট করেছে ভিকটিমের ভার্সনের সাথে।
And as this case plays out in the courtroom, another voice has come forward. Another student from the same institution has come forward with her traumatic experience. She claims she was assaulted by Monojit during a college trip 2 years ago. In her exclusive account to India Today TV, she alleges a pattern of predatory behavior involving at least 15 other girls.
I had noticed that Monojit Mishra was the one who had locked the doors and he was staring at me, and he was evidently very much under the influence of not just alcohol but evidently also weed. He was thinking of it. And he had been advancing towards me with his buttons of the shirt opening one by one. Any girl in my possession, including me, I sensed what was about to come and what could be this guy standing in front of me's intentions.
On several occasions, Monojit has been seen having close exchanges and interactions with TMC MLAs and leaders, proof of the political patronage he enjoyed. The question Bengal must ask is this: if the evidence screams, the survivors speak, and the public can see the truth, will the system still look away? Bureau Report, India Today.
And staying with Kolkata's rape shame, did political patronage help Monojit silence the survivors? The man accused of multiple rapes, Monojit Mishra's political clout knew no bounds. A recent video has surfaced which shows his proximity here to powerful TMC MLA Ashok Deb, in which he refers to Deb as uncle. It doesn't really end there. The head of the security for the college has detailed Mishra's reign of terror. Monojit Mishra's reign of terror was as follows. Look at the revelations here. He held late-night parties within the college premises. Revelation number 2, stored sticks and rods inside the guard room. Revelation number 3, Monojit is powerful, no complaints were filed. Also, over 1.5 years ago, he assaulted guards as well within the college premises. Monojit threatened guards after the complaint, is what has been said by Vinayak Das, owner of security agency, who's spoken to India Today television.
He said that yes, he has been dragged by the colleague of the accused. His phone has been snatched and he was locked in the union room. And after probably 45 or 1 hour or so, he was released. He has been asked to open the unlock the main gate, and then his phone was handed over. Then I inquired him that such a big incident happened. Why didn't you inform to me or the college authority or to the supervisor? He said, sir, he was so afraid to inform anything. Then he narrated that, sir, 1.5 years back, one of our guards had been slapped by this this Monojit Mishra. So that's why he didn't inform me, because he thought that if I inform this incident, then either I have to lose my job, or maybe this Mangoda will again beat him that why did you inform.
I'm going straight across to my colleague Tapas Gupta, getting in more details on that story at this point in time. Tapas, what is very clear is that this man enjoyed political patronage and got away with just so much wrongdoing in the last few months or so, isn't it?
Well, yes, absolutely. It's his political clout that neither the authorities nor the police took action against him. And today, what the horrifying revelation that came in from the head of security, the owner of the security company, whose employee has been arrested on charges of helping Monojit Mondal. He came out very open, stating that everybody feared for their life as far as revelations, as far as revealing what his deeds are in front of the police or college authorities. Had they done so, they were threatened to with dire consequences. Yeah, it happened so much so that 1.5 years back, one of the security guard was brutally assaulted and he suffered injuries on his eardrum. So it's very clear that despite having multiple FIRs, there was no action. Despite reaching out to the college authorities, the authorities did not act in the first place. Ashok Dev remains to be the chairman, who is a very powerful MLA of the Trinamool Congress. He never took cognizance of this matter. So it's all about the political clout, and somehow Monojit Mondal felt that he is out of reach of any authorities or agencies whatsoever, and he could do anything that he wants to do, and that have only encouraged him to indulge in this kind of crime, and that have only increased by leaps and bounds with every day passing by. Finally, this brave girl came out and given the alibi before the police, and that's why police have acted. Now it remains to be seen. 4 people have been arrested, but the investigation process is in a very, very crucial stage. Whether or not police will file charge sheet at possible time is something that everybody is waiting at this point in time.
Tapas, I'm going to leave it there for the moment. Tapas Gupta joining us with the very latest on that story. Meanwhile, the political fallout over the tragedy has only worsened here, with West Bengal Irrigation Minister and senior TMC leader Manas Bunia referring to the gang rape as a small incident. He later issued a clarification claiming his statement was misinterpreted, called it a BJP-led smear campaign. And he isn't the only one. In fact, in the past, TMC MP Kalyan Banerjee, MLA Madan Mitra also made similar comments, trivializing this horror. The BJP has launched a scathing attack on the TMC government, calling the incident TMC-sponsored. The party has accused the Mamata Bandyopadhyay-led administration of shielding criminals and failing to protect women.
ছোট্ট একটা ঘটনা ঘটলেই গেল রে তখন তো টিভি ছিল না, আইফোন ছিল না, টাক করে ছবি তুলে রবিবল্লভপুর থেকে কলকাতায় পাঠানো যেত না। হ্যাঁ, ঘটনা তো ঘটে, নিজের ফ্যামিলিতে ঘটে। হাজবেন্ড ওয়াইফকে মেরে দিচ্ছে বালিশ চাপা, ওয়াইফ প্রেমিকের সঙ্গে ঘুরতে গিয়ে বরকে ঠেলে দিচ্ছে পার। These are the crises of the society. And medical arena is not out of that context. Is it related to my statement with Kosba? এটা সম্পূর্ণ একটা বিভ্রান্তিকর, ইচ্ছাকৃত অপদস্থ করা, অপমান করার জন্য এই কথাটা জুড়ে দেওয়া হলো। অত্যন্ত মর্মাহত আমি। আমার নামে বিকৃতভাবে একটা ঘটনাকে দিয়ে আরেকটা ঘটনা চাপিয়ে প্রচার করা হচ্ছে এবং সে মঙ্গলকোট টেনে আনা হচ্ছে। হোক, আমার কোনো আপত্তি নেই, গণতন্ত্রের অধিকার, সংবিধানের অধিকার, কেউ বলতেও পারে, কিন্তু আমার আত্মসম্মান রক্ষা করার অধিকারটাও সংবিধান আমাকে দিয়েছে। দরকার হলে আমি আইনি পদক্ষেপ নেব।
এই সমস্ত ক্রিমিনালিটি, রেপ, মলেস্টেশন এটা কারা করে? কিছু পুরুষ করে। তা মহিলাদের লড়াইটা কাদের বিরুদ্ধে? যারা এই পারভার্টেড টাইপের পুরুষ, তাদের বিরুদ্ধে লড়াই করা উচিত। কলেজের ভেতরে যদি করে, সেখানে পুলিশ থাকবে কলেজে?
শিক্ষা ক্ষেত্র তো
আরে ভাই, শিক্ষা প্রতিষ্ঠানে কি পুলিশ থাকবে? আপনি বলুন না। যে যারা ঘুরছে, যাদের সঙ্গে ঘুরছে, তাদেরও ঠিক করা উচিত কাদের সঙ্গে ঘুরছে, কাদের সঙ্গে ঘুরছে না।
कस्बा की घटना से एक मैसेज आ गया पूरा लड़की लोग, पूरा स्टूडेंट लोगों को पास, जे अगर आपको किसी जान पहचान ने बुलाए तो जिस दिन कॉलेज बंद है, परीक्षा चल रहा है, आपको यूनिट की कुछ बनाएगा तो आप मत जाइए, इसमें आपको भला नहीं होगा। वो लड़की अगर नहीं जाता तो ये घटना नहीं घटते थे। अगर जाने का टाइम लड़की किसी को बता के जाते थे, दो सहेलियां लेके जाते थे, ये नहीं घटते। वो जो देख रहे हम, जो गंदा काम किया, वो he had taken the advantage of the situation.